In this video, we listed the 5 best TKL keyboards on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DrunkDeer A75 Keyboard. The DrunkDeer A75 gaming keyboard is an innovative mechanical keyboard designed for speed and stability, featuring magnetic switches and advanced functionality tailored for competitive gaming. Its compact 75% layout includes 82 keys, offering a wired USB connection and customizable RGB backlighting with 18 different effects and adjustable brightness levels. Notable features include the rapid trigger (RT) technology, which ensures instant actions in fast-paced games by allowing each key to act on press and release, as well as a dual trigger mode for executing different commands from a single key. The keyboard is equipped with a durable ABS plastic body, but lacks wrist support. Certified with CE and FCC, it is suitable for both desktop and laptop applications. Its design emphasizes functionality, with adjustable actuation distances ranging from 0.2 to 3.8 mm and no sensitive hardware, enhancing accuracy and responsiveness. The DrunkDeer A75 is a compact yet powerful choice for gamers looking to maximize their performance without taking up too much desk space. Number 2. SKYLOONG GK104 Pro. The SKYLOONG GK104 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard is a highly customizable and versatile input device that combines advanced features with multiple connectivity options. Constructed with a durable ABS, PBT case and a full-size ANSI layout, it offers a premium feel along with vibrant 16.8 million RGB backlighting for a personalized user experience. This keyboard supports 3 connection methods: Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired, ensuring compatibility with various devices including PCs, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. With an impressive 8000 mAh battery, it provides long-lasting performance, enhanced by an 8K polling rate for responsiveness, making it ideal for both gaming and professional use. Notably, the GK104 Pro features a unique dual electronic screen that displays essential information such as date and battery power, and can also function as a calculator. Additionally, it includes 3 programmable macro knobs for customizable functions, noise-reducing design elements for a quieter operation, and hot-swappable switches for easy maintenance. This keyboard is designed for users who seek both functionality and aesthetics, making it an excellent choice for multitasking and extended usage. Number 3. AULA F87 Pro. The AULA F87 Pro is a high-performance mechanical keyboard designed for users seeking a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Featuring an 80% TKL layout with 87 keys, the keyboard caters to desktop, laptop, and tablet users while maintaining a compact size, measuring 36.59 by 13.9 by 4.11 cm. It offers a versatile tri-mode connection through Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G wireless, and wired Type-C, allowing seamless switching between devices. Built with durable PBT plastic keycaps and hot-swappable Leo Bog Grey Wood V3 switches, the F87 Pro ensures a customizable typing experience with tactile feedback and a lifespan of up to 60 million keystrokes. The keyboard also features vibrant RGB backlighting with multiple modes, customizable via AULA's software, enhancing the user experience further with personalized lighting effects and macro settings. With a 5-layer sound-absorbing padding design, the F87 Pro not only reduces typing noise but also provides comfort through its gasket structure. Weighing approximately 1023 grams and powered by a 4000 mAh battery, this keyboard balances performance and aesthetic design, making it an ideal choice for avid typists and gamers alike. Number 4. DrunkDeer G65 Keyboard. The DrunkDeer G65 is an innovative mechanical gaming keyboard designed for speed and stability, featuring magnetic switches that enhance performance and durability. With a compact 68-key layout and a USB interface, This wired keyboard combines advanced functionality with customizable RGB lighting. The G65 supports hot swappable switches, although it's notable for its unique magnetic switch design, which allows for a rapid trigger response that is particularly beneficial in first-person shooter games. This keyboard also incorporates innovative modes such as the RT Plus Last Win mode, prioritizing the last key pressed during gameplay, and the release dual trigger mode, allowing keys to execute two distinct actions based on their press and release. Engineered with PBT plastic keycaps and a patented shock-absorbing structure, the G65 is built for durability and comfort during extended use. Weighing approximately 580 g and backed by CE and FCC certifications, this keyboard is a great choice for both casual and competitive gamers looking to enhance their performance. Number 5. DrunkDeer A75 Rapid Keyboard. The DrunkDeer A75 wired mechanical gaming keyboard is designed for gamers seeking speed and precision in their gameplay. Featuring magnetic switches with a rapid trigger mechanism, this keyboard offers ultra-fast response times, with actuation distances adjustable from 0.4 mm to 3.6 mm, allowing users to customize their experience for enhanced control and comfort. The design includes a standard 82-key layout, and while it lacks wrist support and keycaps, it is compatible with macOS and Windows systems. Unique features such as RT Plus for dual trigger actions enable players to execute complex moves effortlessly, perfect for competitive gaming environments. Built with durability in mind and featuring RGB customizable lighting, the DrunkDeer A75 is a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal for both casual and professional gamers.